Well, ladies and gentlemen, it appears that the FDA is at it again, and you'll be able to see that firsthand. We'll probably block out the names of this stuff as we can, and for the people that have been cited with this. And it appears that the FDA is sending out warning letters regarding tobacco retailers inspection violations. So now they're going around and after apparently not telling you that you have failed, or even that they were probably in there, and now they are going to go ahead and light you up with it. Wow. I don't know what to say. I really don't. I feared this, even though I know that the Supreme Court is taking it up. It appears that the FDA is not backing off, and they are going to go full steam ahead. And okay, so just check it out, see what you think. I know this is not what anybody wants to believe, but believe you me, this is a reputable company that they've hit. Pretty good size, as far as chain store, and these people are no joke. And all you have to do is see it, and you'll know it. But it is what it is. And so I'm going to try to reach out to them and see if I can even show the letter and or whatever, if that's going to be possible at all. All right, I'm going to find out if I can. I'm going to leave everything as is, and then you can contact them if they want that. If they don't, I'm going to blur out some things and see what happens. Okay, so here we go. It says, and they are in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. And apparently here it is, the which is, what it's about. FDA warning letter regarding tobacco retailers inspection violation. Even gives the reference number. Dear sir or madam, but she didn't like that. This warning letter is a notification from the United States Food and Drug Administration, FDA, advising you that their company was observed to be in violation of federal tobacco laws and regulations. Failure to address the violation may result in the FDA initiating regulatory or legal action, including monetary penalties. Your response is requested in 15 working days, which is three weeks for the federal government, because Monday through Friday, that's all they apparently work, or that you can get a hold of anybody. New tobacco products without required marketing authorization are adulterated and misbranded. What? On May the 8th, apparently that's when the violation occurred. An inspector representing the FDA completed an inspection of the establishment located, and it's their address. During the inspection, the establishment was in violation because your establishment offered for sale electronic nicotine delivery systems. That's an end system for a lot of you guys. Products that lack the required marketing authorization. Well, that's what the Supreme Court's going to look at, whether they had the ability to stop them from marketing it. But that don't seem to worry them. But honestly, on May the 8th, when they did this, that was before the Supreme Court decided to take it up. The inspection reveals that the establishment sells and or distributes tobacco products, including ends products, which require that the establishment and its owners comply with federal laws and regulation governing the sale, distribution, and or advertising of such products. The violations observed during the May the 8th inspections include the following. The establishment offered for sale tobacco products that are required to have but lack pre-marketing authorization. Specifically on May the 8th, that's when the inspection was done, and offered to sell Lost Mary's, Acai Berry Storm Ice, and Lost Mary Watermelon Cherry Ends products. Generally, to be marketed in the United States, the Food and Drug Administration and Cosmetic Acts, FD&C, requires new tobacco products to have a pre-marketing authorization order in effect. Well, these don't at that time. And so, a new tobacco product is any tobacco product that was not commercially marketed in the United States as of February of 2007. Neither was Juul. Or any modified tobacco product that was commercially marketed after. So we're only seeing one page here, but you get the gist of it. Oh, that's ugly. That's very, very ugly. I kind of warned you guys about this. I really knew that even though the Supreme Court was going to take this up and figure this out, I knew that there'd be a lot of people in the wake of it that would get these letters that would be prosecuted for it beforehand and would probably summarily be fined if they were caught, during this and however long it takes to give the opinion. I don't know, man. I don't know what to think about this. I dropped it in the Discord to show it, in there. And hopefully, this will be one of them things where they can work it out. And especially with them having done what they've done. And so I'm really hoping that nothing comes of this. I really hope these people are good people that are involved in it. And this chain is a very well established chain, and the people, the owner that's involved in this, she runs a real clean shop, runs a real tight ship, and it's pretty fun to be around those people. And she's went through a whole lot of BS, and I hate this. I really do. I hate this. For all of you, we're not so deep into it, and we never sold very much of it. I'm really hoping the Supreme Court comes out and says, hey, you don't have that authority here, and that's out the window. And I hope they have to give back all the money that they've already stole from people. I mean, fined people with, but I still look at it as theft. Okay. And so hopefully nothing happens to this group and everybody's cool and they have to throw this and she can wipe her butt with this piece of papers that they've sent them. You can see by the date, you can see everything there that you need to, that it's there. This sucks. This really sucks. I hate this for them. This is terrible. But pay attention, boys and girls. You could be getting it next. And if you are, I hope you can sell out of it before they can stop you. That's what I'm telling you. Only buy a couple weeks worth. Don't have any more than you can just dump. Because you see, she has to answer them in 15 days, which is 3 weeks their time. Surely you can dump everything you got by then. Just saying.